So what I'm going to show you next is Active Directory import, synchronization and automatic protection, all within this one interface. Now first of all, when it comes to importing any new endpoint machines, you've got this wizard which allows you to either import your Active Directory schema at any point, or a raft of other methods such as finding individual machines via your AED, via network scan or even IP range. So giving you lots of different methods of importing your machines. Once you've done that, you are actually given the ability to synchronize with Active Directory. This can be particularly useful, for example, if you've got any new machines coming onto your domain after you've done your initial installation. It will automatically synchronize with Active Directory at a given point and update or refresh the infrastructure view on the left-hand side. With the synchronization wizard here, you can see, first of all, I'm going to select which group I'd want to synchronize, and in this case, it's my AD sync folder. Where or which OU or container I'm going to particularly be focusing on. You can see here that I've already got pre-populated Sophos computers, and click Next. And then also we come to the automatic protection step. Now with this, it's particularly handy because if you do have those new machines coming on, one of the pains can be having to then go into Sophos Enterprise Console and have to redeploy to a number of machines. But with the synchronization method, you actually automatically check for these new machines every 60 minutes or so, and if we do find any new machines, we'll automatically deploy Sophos to those particular endpoints. And you can see here, this is a typical Sophos Endpoint Security and Control rollout, where first of all the main feature of its anti-malware and other components, followed by its third-party security removal tool. Now I want to focus on that just for a minute now, because the third-party removal tool is really good for checking for any third-party AV prior to installing Sophos. If it detects anything, it will automatically run the installation of that AV, followed by then installing Sophos. Obviously, I'm going to put in some credentials. It is going to allow me to install to Sophos. Once I've done that, I'm now going to set the synchronization interval. So this is how often the Enterprise Console, the server, is going to check back with your AD. And in this case, I've just specified 60 minutes. It could be 10 minutes, it could be 2 or 3 hours. It really is up to you to really know how often your AD will really change. Once it summarizes and tells you all the information you've entered in, it's just a question now for the computer to carry out that particular task. Excellent. Once that's done, you click Finish, and you'll now see on the left-hand side in the computers area a green folder with a time icon. That is to now show you that that synchronization task is completed, and also if you do need to right-click, go to synchronization properties, you can not only review that information, but if you want, change the synchronization interval, as well as also deciding on rolling out other parts of the endpoint security and data protection product.